This is the 2017 Honda CR-V LX with all-wheel drive. It has just over 126,000 kilometers on the odometer, and under the hood you have a 1.5-liter inline-4 turbo engine putting out 190 horsepower and has 179 pound-feet of torque. Taking a look at the interior of this CR-V, you have power mirrors, power locks, and power windows, as well as storage along the bottom of the door. And your interior seating is a black cloth. And we'll take a look at the odometer here. And this vehicle is push button start, so we'll start it up. You can see there we have 126,216 kilometers. Over to the left, you have your dial for your headlights. Beside that, you have your buttons for your lane departure, warning, front wiper de-icer, pre-collision on and off, as well as your traction control button. On the left-hand side of the steering wheel, you have your controls for your display by the gauges, as well as your volume and Bluetooth audio controls. And on the right-hand side, you have your adaptive cruise controls. In the middle here on your touchscreen display, you have your AM/FM radio, USB in. As well, this vehicle is equipped with Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. You also have your backup camera with your various viewing angles. You also have your dual zone climate controls. You also have heated driver and passenger seating. And this is an automatic transmission with your electronic parking brake and your brake hold function button. And on the right hand side, you have your Eco Drive Mode button. As we move down, you have a power outlet, cup holders. In the center console, you find two USB ports and another power outlet. This also folds up, and this is removable if you need additional storage. As you can see, the interior is in great shape. Taking a closer look at the exterior, you have your hand-cooked tires on 17-inch alloy rims by Honda. And we'll take a look at the tire tread there. And we'll check out the rear of the vehicle. You do have intelligent access on the front driver and passenger door handles, your rear privacy glass. On the back, you have your CR-V badge, as well as your all-wheel drive badge. And this vehicle is equipped with OEM remote start. So first, you're just going to want to make sure the vehicle is locked. And then you'll hold down the button on the remote. And it will start right up for you. And then to shut it off, you can hold it down again. And now we'll take a look at the trunk. Lots of cargo space here in the back of the CR-V. Your rear seats do fold down for extra storage as a 60/40 split. You have your available cloth mats. And underneath here, you have your spare tire and your jack. On the left-hand side, you have an available power outlet. Taking a look at the rear interior, you have your power windows with storage along the bottom of the door. Lots of legroom here in the back. As well, your rear adjustable vents. As you can see, the rear interior is also in great condition. And in the middle here, you have your fold-down console with cup holders. And if you want to find out more about this vehicle, you can check us out online at parkmazda.ca. And while you're there, you can fill out a test drive form come on down for a test drive, or we can bring the vehicle to you. And on any qualified test drive, we'll hook you up with a $25 Visa gift card or 50 Air Miles Reward Miles. Also be sure to check us out on social media at Park Mazda on Facebook, Instagram, and Twitter. Thanks for watching, and we hope to see you soon.